Well, this is Ismail Ali. Now I'm going to conduct your Oietc speaking test. As you know, in the Oietc test has 4 parts. In the first part, I will ask some general question as well as I will check your security. In the second part, you have to present your presentation that we have already provided you. In the part 3, I will ask some question on the basis of your essay. In the part 4, I will show a picture. After watching the picture, you have to answer some questions. So are you ready for the part 1?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. First of all, I would like to your name. What's your name?
My name is Abdul Momin Rafi.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Sylhet, which is one of beautiful city. It is situated in northern part of Bangladesh.
Can you say something about your city?
Well, my city's name is Sylhet, and it is modern city, and all facilities are available here, such as transportations and education system. And my city are most visiting place, which called Jaflong and Tea Garden. And I think my city is most famous and beautiful city.
Is there anything you dislike about your city?
Well, I think one reasons I dislike in my city, the most dislike is draining system, because draining system is very bad and many times are it has effect in negative smell and many negative impact of our city's people.
Okay. So what do you do?
I'm a student. I have completed my higher secondary in 2020. Now I have go to abroad for my higher education.
Okay. So why actually you choose UK instead of Canada and USA?
Well, UK is one of most beautiful country in all around the world, and UK University provided high quality education and good learning opportunity. And UK University provided practical course rather than theoretical course, which make student develop on subjects. So that's why I chose is UK University.
Why did you choose YTC exam?
Well, YTC is recognized over 20 university in UK. So I strongly believe that nowadays YTC tests are most believable certificate in the UK. So I have an ambition in UK University. So these tests are most um, helpful in this apply in UK University. So that's why I chose this YTC test.
Okay, this is the end of your part 1 test, and now I'm going to give you some instruction before start your presentation. First of all, I would like to your presentation topic name. What is your presentation topic?
While my presentation topic name, people should be allowed to smoking in public places.
Well, so before starting your presentation, I'm going to give you some instruction. So first of all, I will say that you will get around 3 to 5 minutes to present your presentation, and in the present in the during your presentation, I will not interrupt. Please start your presentation by saying I would like to start my presentation, and please end by saying thank you for your attention. Your presentation time start from now.
Now I will begin my presentation. According to scientific research, smoking not only affects the smoker's health, but also help others around them. This is why a lot of people think that smoking shouldn't be permitted in public areas, although there are valid points on both sides. I wholeheartedly conclude that ban is the best course of this action. In this presentation, I am going to describe both sides of the argument and follow a factual conclusion. To start, smoking is harmful to your health. Smoking tobacco is the key factors in lung cancer. In addition, smoking-related illnesses and active smokers often have heart issues and TB. Even though it may take some time for the sinks or main phase, a serious accident finally occurs. It has an impact. Smoking immediately friends and family as well. A complete ban on smoking in public places would likely receiving lot of support because both active and passive smokers run of the risks of getting sick. Secondly, smoking is a compulsive behavior that affects smokers and non-smokers. Any material developed and addicted is by no means secure and spreads swiftly. When around smokers for a long time, smoking is quite simple to take up. Given the amount of time spending with public places, smoking should be prohibited there in order to prevent these harmful effects. Last but not the least, when around smokers, non-smokers experience extremely stress, the children, elderly, those who are pregnant find it is challenging to uh, acclimate smoke-filled atmosphere. It is excited non-smokers all ages. Smoking, if smoking, it should be is out allied as it causes to irritation to a considerable level. Nevertheless, opponents of such a ban argue against for several reasons. First of all, they don't like ceding their smoking privileges. They feel as though their individuals' right would be violated by such a prohibition. Secondly, those who oppose ban on smoking in public places um, claim to since cigarettes are sold on the market at public, the irritation have a little impact. If smoking should be prohibited, why can't government just outlaw in cigarettes? Thirdly, the debate the idea is that it is challenging to quite find someone addicted in smoking. Active smokers frequently report experience significant health corners as a result is fighting smoking. Because when there is frequently smokers, it is fighting much more difficult. Fourthly, enforcing new regulation and outright smoking in public will be expensive. Therefore, they believe that keeping active smokers are apart from the broader population of the best option.
Okay, thank
I
you for
believe
your
that there
presentation. This is
should
the
be
end of your test. Okay, now it's time to part three. What was your essay topic?
well. My writing topic was whether health is the most important ingredient for happy life, or there are some other things are related to this.
In your first of all, I would like to ask some vocabularies that you have written in your essay. So, in your essay, you mentioned sustained life. So, what the meaning of sustained life?
Well, sustaining life means is preserve and continue, standard or support physically or mentally.
As well as you also mentioned the word physical health. So, can you say something about the term physical health?
Well, physical health means refers to a fit body enable a person to do daily activities or efficiently.
Okay. As well as you also mentioned mental health. Can you say something about
Well,
it?
mental health refers to a peaceful mind, motivate and determine a person to achieving their goals.
In your essay, you also mentioned academic excellence. So, what the meaning of academic excellence?
Well, academic excellence means it has been identified as achieving good grades and superior performance. And academic excellence has make good results and high great results.
Last vocabulary of your essay that self-satisfied. So, can you say something about it? Self-satisfied. What did you mean self-satisfied?
Well, self-satisfied means is peaceful of mind or a feelings of very pleased or satisfied to yourself what you have done.
Okay. Now I would like to ask some questions from your essay. So, why do you think health is one of the best ingredient for happy life?
Well, I believe that happiness is most important factors to is control in our happiness. So and healthy is being significant part of our life, and the daily activities purpose and is efficiently. So and it is also student study probably and employers in hard worker to daily activities. They are achieving their own goals.
In your essay, you mentioned that happiness is a broader term. Why do you think happiness is a broader term?
Well, uh, the main argument is that happiness is not able to achieving good health, and one person would might not be too happy is their good health is they are is unsatisfied to their life, so they are not able to be happy.
Okay. So the last question, can you summarize your essay?
Well, to sum up, many individuals think that happiness cannot be attained without well-being physically or mentally. To be happy, a person requires a many kind of things: individuals, money, prestigious, wholesome relationships, and fulfill profession. In my personal experience, has me to that is among other things and maintain a healthy body and efficient to sustaining life.
Okay, that's the end of your part 3. So now I'm going to show a picture. On the basis of picture, actually, I will ask some questions. So are you ready for part 4?
Yes, I am ready in my part 4.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see the pictures.
Okay, we'll get around 15 seconds for generating or making ideas. Your 15-second time start from now. Well, what can you see in this picture?
Well, in this picture, I can see that, and there are many people are in sitting on the mountain, and they are see on the in natural view. And the picture are is three lady and uh, four person, and total pictures are seven people. And I predict they are also friends, and they are very time is enjoyable passing, and the natural view is picture is very beautiful.
Well, why did you think, or why do you think that they are friend?
Well, uh, in this picture, I think is nowadays is our society is many friends is going to together in mountain hills, and this picture I can see that the all people are is seeing and the enjoyable this scenery is together. So that's why I predict is they are also friends.
Well, do you like to visit natural site?
Yes, definitely. I like to visit its natural site, and when I was my free time, so this time I going to is visiting new place, especially mountain hill and natural views with my friends and many times with my family members.
Okay, can you share any story that you occurred actually when actually you visited like that place with your friends or your family member?
Well, I still remember that couple years ago, uh, we are going to their my old friend in Cox Bazar, and Cox Bazar is most beautiful sea beach in our country is Bangladesh, and many visiting visitors are visiting this place. And when we are going to Cox Bazar, So we are much more enjoyable, and there are a lot of natural views, especially sea beach. So I think we are very enjoyable time passing, and uh, all the moment is very excellent.
Last question. Do you think people should visit natural site?
Yes, definitely. I think every people should visiting is natural sites. So because when the people visiting natural site, so they are enjoyable, and they are learning to many new things, and especially when the people visiting is natural site, so they are in mind freshing.
So that's the end of your test. Do you have any query or any question?
No, I have done any question for you.
Okay, thank you, Rafi. This is the end of your test, and you'll get your result within 48 hours. Thank you. Bye bye.